for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave a link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get inspired by a beautiful long red wig. This wig right here is actually from Amazon. Love me an Amazon wig. Kalyss right here. And this wig does come with 2 wig caps. So if you are in need of a wig cap when it arrives, you are all set. So this wig is actually a really long one. It's 26 inches. Let's just take a little look at this gorgeously striking red color. Wow. I mean, when I put this on, literally, I had the lace on, I just whipped it on. I was like, do I go back to being a redhead? Because, it's so good. So what's really neat about this wig, because it is so long, is that the layers actually kind of like start right in the middle. So all I did with this wig was just cut the lace off. I have not done anything. I usually showcase all the wigs as basically a straight out of the box kind of look. So you can do whatever you want to it. So let's just have fun. So like I said, I cut the lace off, and the lace actually is a pretty light lace, which is great. This has 2 clips on the side, or combs, and also 1 comb in the bottom with the fasteners. One of my fasteners just came undone, but let's just take a little look at the construction of the wig so you can see what's going on. Pretty great. Okay, also this does have a medium wig cap. So this would of course be large head friendly. The medium size cap is perfect for me. I do normally tie it on a pretty tight setting anyway. And then this wig is also safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to heat modify it. So I do have a wig cap, which I have a nude, which I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below for that. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. All right, so I'm gonna back it up a little bit because I put my wigs on front to back. Oh, I mean, it's like immediately, hello, redhead. So this is actually a pretty bright red, without a doubt, which clearly I am not gonna fight one bit. This also has only about a 1-inch parting, if you can see right there, before it goes into the waist. So isn't really that much room to kind of mess things around, but honestly, let's just see what we're gonna come up with. So as for shedding and tangle, honestly, I have not worn this, but these I always feel like shed just like a usual wig. These do actually have very minimal tangle. Of course, any wig's going to tangle, but this I feel compared to other very long wigs do tangle very minimally. Wow, this is like intense, right? Let me stand up a little bit. So I'm 5'7", so this is definitely below my waist. Let's actually move the cap around. This is my favorite way of how to honestly part a wig. You can just modify it, but I actually like to just switch, just move the wig cap around to adjust the parting. That's my favorite way. Any way will do. You just do you. Remember that at all times. Whoa. Hello. I mean, I just am in love with this color. It is so striking and just is beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's move it on the other side. This is normally the Misfit eyebrow side. Gotta, you know, show her off maybe. Ooh. I do love it. It is from Kalyss from Amazon. Just let me know, everyone, if you have a favorite red wig. Reach out to me on Instagram. Send me your photos. Leave me a comment down below. You know I love to hear from you. I'm absolutely tickled when I hear from you and all the positive comments and very helpful comments for my other viewers as well, because life is short. Wear a wig. Have fun, because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So be fabulous, choose to be fabulous. So I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.